Pranam, and today I welcome you all to today's video on sports in association with National Skill Development and organization which is involved in the sports. Please see the video till the end. You will get many information and new informations about the skill in the sports. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and push the bell icon. Thank you. Welcome to today's video, friends. As you know, we are talking about skills in sport, but I want to tell you one thing, that 90% of the sportsmen leave their profession because of the non-availability of the opportunities in the sports sector. Only 2% of people who rise from their excellency in the sports. It is seen that in a career opportunity of skill in sports has increased, their attitude has increased. Therefore, many organizations are working on this. First of all, we should salute our Hima Das, who had made us proud. But these 2%, do you think that they are making the difference? You can find many peoples around them to build them as a sportsman. So there are very important development in the domestic level as well as international level. In a domestic level and international level, Hima Das has made us proud. But do you think that this will be the end? No. Many organizations, many peoples, many institutions are working on sensibilizing the young youth for a constructive activity to increase the employment opportunity across the health, tourism, education, and improving the health of the citizen. Tendulkar, this is a 2% of the total sportsmen available in that particular sector, like Mary Kom, Virat Kohli, Sneha Nehwal. Many organizations are there, but we will today talk about the SPEFL SC. This is an organization which gives a platform to the India as a sport industry. It is the sport industry. If you consider it, it is entitled with the cooperative identity, legal person, broadcaster, promoter, and direct and indirect sport related activity, as well as many of the sponsors also there. The skill development as an institution, it wants to increase to build the institution capacity building and creating ecosystem for the sports. Skill development in sports requires across the subsectors like athletic cost development, improvement in overall health and well-being of the citizen, sport club and academies, as well as in the sport institution and management and development, grassroots sport promotion and the sport science, emotional and physical well-being of the athlete, sport marketing and management of professionals, and you will see that the sport manufacture and retailing also been increased. So my friends, this is a time when you can enter to the big market. It is 2.5 billion people of capacity building is going around, and hope that you will be a part of this. But I want to today and disclose another thing. It is the breaking news. You can become the partner of this skill in sports. So I had given the link in the description. Please click it. You are seeing Skill and Self, and please subscribe Skill and Self. Thank you for today.